Hi, kids. Today, we're going to learn all about construction tools. Construction workers use special tools to build houses, roads, schools, and more. Let's look at some of the important tools they use on the job. Hammer. H-A-M-M-E-R, hammer. Saw. S-A-W, saw. Drill. D-R-I-L-L, drill. Screwdriver. S-C-R-E-W-D-R-I-V-E-R, screwdriver. Measuring tape. M-E-A-S-U-R-I-N-G-T-A-P-E, measuring tape. Level. L-E-V-E-L, level. Shovel. S-H-O-V-E-L, shovel. Wrench. W-R-E-N-C-H, wrench. Tool belt. T-O-O-L-B-E-L-T, tool belt. Safety goggles. S-A-F-E-T-Y-G-O-G-G-L-E-S, safety goggles. Hard hat. H-A-R-D-H-A-T, hard hat. Wheelbarrow. W-H-E-E-L-B-A-R-R-O-W, wheelbarrow. Trowel. T-R-O-W-E-L, trowel. Ladder. L-A-D-D-E-R, ladder. Sandpaper. S-A-N-D-P-A-P-E-R, sandpaper. Construction tools help workers build, repair, and shape materials into homes, roads, and buildings. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video, and don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment.